Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I've got something excited to share with you. I'll walk you through how to turn your Python code into a standalone program, an executable or .exe file, without needing to install Python or Visual Studio Code. This is super handy if you want to run your code as a program or share it with folks who aren't similar with coding. You can find a link in the description below showing an example of how to create a Python code using ChatGPT. You might be wondering, why would you want to do this? Well, think about it. Running Python code without the hassle of opening VS Code every time or making it accessible to someone who is not a coder. You simply hand them a program that can run with ease. So here's how we'll do it. I've got main folder here with my Python code saved as a .py and the file it's going to operate on. First, let's open a command prompt in this folder. If you are on Windows 11 and you want the full right-click menu, just hold down Shift and right-click, then select Open in Terminal. Now let's install pyinstaller. Just type pip install pyinstaller and hit enter. To create program or .exe file, type pyinstaller -onefile, the name of file .py, and hit enter. You can find these commands in the description below this video. You'll see that two new folders are created, dist and build. Go ahead and move that .exe file from dist folder to your main directory. You can delete dist and this file selected on the screen. Now you've got your own .exe file, which is essentially your program. Double-click it and you'll see a command prompt window pop up. It will do its thing and disappear within few seconds. Check for the results in the output folder. See how simple that was? If you ever make changes to your code, don't forget to recreate the .exe file. If you want to share this program with someone else, just provide them with the build folder and the .exe file. They can run it without needing Python or any coding knowledge. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching.